So what we could do is we could have anchor tags over these things from our images. See, a href is, I don't know, and a. So now, okay, and in my href, just for your reference, what I would be passing is, let me show you. So just I'm passing the hrefs simples, and what I want is if I click over this now, it should uh, go to my login page. Okay, actually, so I would just write dot slash login and see. Now see, this is going to my login screen, and this is not having any link till now. And see, so let us, if I click over this, it would redirect me to my login screen. Okay, understood that how these things are working. So yeah, HTML editor is also a thing of great use. So I hope that you might got an idea about the importance of this HTML editor, right? Now, how to solve that problem that we discussed about different pages. So what we would be doing is we would be creating some pages, and we would be redirecting them to those pages, right? So this problem would be solved. Okay. In the down section, what we could have is, see, we could have these all things. So we could, yeah, just copy the images as we did in here. So let us see how we are going to do this. So drag and drop the HTML editor below this. So yeah, this is coming perfect. So we would be having some columns, and in those columns we would be having some anchor tags. Okay, and some images. Okay, and this. So yeah, this is the blueprint of one div, and so we could have many divs as per our requirement. So guys, this is just for your understanding that how uh, this HTML editor is of great use. So now I would be getting CSP errors if I, oh no, great. So see, all the cups are in the same direction. So what am I did wrong? SLD is grid. Okay, things are coming the exact way as we are wanting, and what we could do is, so why it was coming, see, if we add this paragraph now, so yeah, now it is coming correct. And again, the style is font weight 1.75 rem, and font, oh no, it's font weight 700, and font size 1.5 rem. Okay, yeah, this is going great, and yeah, up to 50% of this is the value in here. Copy pasting this, uh, and Surat markets. So yeah, it is coming, and what we want is uh, margin bottom 1 rem. Okay, and okay, let's preview this. So see, this is coming good, guys, and we are having links over that as well. So this is also helping us. So yeah, similar way you could add these things also. For now, we could try to, yeah, manipulate this page as per, not exactly, but yeah, as per this. So now what we would be doing is we would be creating separate pages to cater all these components, right? So we could also have a section in here so that would lead us to those specific pages. So as per you, this modification depends. I hope you understood this video and got to know something that could enhance your way of working over your community cloud. So with this, we would be meeting in the next video. Till then, uh, I think you would be working over this. And if you find this video interesting, do hit the subscribe button and do comment down below as per your likes. And if you are having any doubts, yeah, I'm always ready to help you out.